We're in the backyard of the homeowner, and here's a brick wall fence that a possum was traveling every night. We're going to put repel gel right on top of it to get rid of this possum. You want to put silicone gel on top of that fence before you apply the repel gel. You need to create a barrier so that the repel gel doesn't soak through. So you want to, in 2 strips, you want to apply the gel right on top of the fence, and you spread it with a putty knife, and you have to wait a few minutes for it to dry. Once it dries, you can put the repel gel right on top of the fence in a zigzag manner, and then paintbrush it and create a nice thick gel. Then when a possum travels at night, right on top of the gel, he'll get it on his feet, then on his nose, his eyes, his mouth, and then it's going to create a tingling sensation, and he's not going to use that fence as a travel path anymore.